How pleased are you to get the 3 points tonight?
Yeah, well, I was pleased to win the football game. You know, that's what there's a huge pressure from me on the players to win football games, and that's what we're there for. You know, we obviously we had a couple of poor results lately, but I thought the lads were fantastic from the first whistle to the last today. You know, they run hard, worked really hard with the ball, without the ball, created lots of opportunities, and you know, I think it just looked like it was a matter of time from maybe 35 minutes left onwards.
Richard, na i ddod ato ti gynta, dy argraffiadau di o'r perfformiad ar gêm ar ôl ymdrech arwrol gan dy dîm?
Ie, a dyma hwnna, dio. Mae'r hogia dreu bob dim allan na, mond hynna'n lli ofyn. Oedden ni'n gobeithio, sa'n ni wedi gallu dal allan tan diwedd, mae cael pwynt. O'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n heiddi fo, jyst am yr ymdrech, ond mae Conor wedi gwneud dipyn o saves da, chwarae teg, ond dyna mae'n cael ei dalu am y fyd, so na, gallem gofyn mwy gyn yr hogia. Wrach sa'n di gallu bod bach gymryd mwy o bwyll yn y final third na, ond proud iawn ar performance.
After what's been a tricky month for TNS, a relief to get a win tonight against Caernarfon?
Yeah, definitely. We obviously had a couple of bad results and we needed to bounce back today, and it was a good performance. I don't think they had many chances and we could have scored 3 or 4 there.
A pa mae'r brodi ti o'r gŵr ifanc yma sy'n sefyll wrth ochr fi. Chwarae teg i orfod mynd lan yn erbyn rai yn brobl hyn. O, Caron, siwr nes ti ffindo di mas na?
Yn iawn na, da'n anodd yn dechrau. Just setlo yn y gêm, a wedyn unwaith ti setlo, mae'n dechrau mynd yn hawsach wedyn, a just, digon o confidence a just dal i fynd.
Fe nath y reolwr gweithio ti cyn y gêm?
Wel, just instructions really.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n dangos, mae'r hogia ifanc yn dod ymlaen pan mae'n cael ei cyflag. Maen nhw'n just yn fearless. So llawer un di sefyll off brobl a di meddwl gadael 2-3 yards. Oedd anna fo bod tro'n yn gael bel, so dyna oedd ni'n trydeithio fo. Os di'n cael touch na, siw bod chdi'n cyrraedd yn un adag. Oedd o'n, i fi man of the match, oedd o'n outstanding iddi, so heiddi bob clod, dewch chi boi.
After, the defeats to Cardiff Met this month, Ben, just how determined are you, or were you as a squad, to bounce back tonight?
Yeah, it was. We had to bounce back. There was no option, and obviously it was a great performance, clean sheet, and we go on to next week as well in the cup.